we have our eminent persons with us. So I request our dignitaries onto the dais. I request Dr. Purna Chandra Nayak sir, the President of BTES, Professor sir, ATAL University Valedictory, Dr. Mohanty sir, Principal of Srinix College of Engineering, Mr. Sir, former Chief Coordinator of Srinix College of Engineering, Dr. Patron, who is the coordinator as well as the HOD of Electrical Department, Dr. the Dean Academics of Srinix College of Engineering, and Engineer Suvasis Panda sir, the Administrative Officer of BTES. Sir, please. Ma'am, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. So I request Purna Chandra Nayak sir to felicitate. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Innovations in the field of AI. Let this event be a stepping stone for many more collaborative efforts, research ventures, and applied projects. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guests, dignitaries, all the resource persons, organizing committee members, and the supporting staffs for their tireless efforts in making this program a success. The Dean Academics, who is also the co-coordinator of this program, Dr. Yashobanta sir, not for the least, Dr. Mohanty, who inspired me to at least I should apply for this FDP, and also he was the only person who told me that he can achieve this. Also I thank to the MBA coordinator, Mr. Subramanian, and the ESA coordinator, Mrs. Balaja Mahapatra, former HOD, Tripathi sir, and all the rest of the faculty members like Garu sir, Susan sir, Manu sir, and Ranjiv sir. Thank you so much for their effortless, constant helpfulness. Okay, thank you sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you a lot. And now I would like to request our Dean Academics, Dr. Yashobanta sir, to say a few words. Sir, please.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Satyananda Professor at University, respected guest of honor, Mr. Gauranga Charan sir, former Chief Coordinator BTS, respected Chief Patron, Dr. Purna Chandra Nayak, President BTS, respected Principal Dr. Yashobanta Kumar Mohanty, respected Coordinator Dr. Patron, Administrative Officer Engineer Suvasis Panda, participants of ATAL-FDP, faculty members, press and media. that is on 15th June, the FDP began with an inaugural session, followed by the first technical session conducted by Dr. Soros Meher, Professor of ISA Bangalore, who introduced the theme role of AI, data to intelligence. In the afternoon session, Ms. Anmol Maharana, Deputy Manager at Official Bhubaneswar, delivered a session on the integration of AI in energy transition. The day concluded with an article discussion on wavelength fuzzy hybridization techniques and a hands-on lab session. On day 2, that is on 16th June, Dr. Dipti Patra, Professor at NIT Rourkela, presented on machine learning in signal and image processing. In the post-launch session, Mr. Vikram Saul, a data scientist at Angel One Bangalore, spoke about industrial applications of artificial intelligence. A research article on cardiac death prediction using time frequency analysis was discussed, followed by practical lab training. On day 3, that is on 17th June, featured Dr. Supratim Gupta, Associate Professor at NIT Rourkela, who explained alert fusion and driver alertness monitoring on system-on-chip platforms. Later, Dr. Santosh Kumar Mohanty from CHIR IMMT Bhubaneswar discussed smart instrumentation for sustainable mineral processing. Participants reviewed a research paper on real-time FPGA-based alert net assessment and continued with hands-on training. On day 4, that is on 18th June, the morning session was conducted by Dr. Srinix Nayak from NIT Jamshedpur, focusing on research methodology. In the afternoon, Dr. Deepak Panda, Senior Applied ML Scientist at Microsoft R&D, introduced the participants a large language models. A discussion on a recent survey article related to cancer detection using convolutional neural network followed, concluding with a practical session. On day 5, that is the 19th June, was dedicated to an industrial visit to the CTDC Balasore, where participants were exposed to tools and technologies such as electrical CAD, SCADA, PLC programming, and CNC machine. The day also included a session by Mr. Satyavarta Swami, a system software engineer at Microsoft R&D, on AI accelerators and GPUs for high performance machine learning, along with regular lab activities. On the final day, that is on today, day 6, 20th June, Dr. Satyananda Devli, Professor at FM University, delivered a lecture on predictive analysis using machine learning. Participants then took part in a multiple choice test and submitted reflection journals as part of the evaluation. The program concluded with an article summary session and the valedictory function, marking the successful completion of the FDP. Thank you. Thank you to all.
It's definitely a pleasure, particularly on my part, that we started on 15th of June and finally we reached the 20th of June. Initially, because this type of faculty development program is first of its kind at Srinix College of Engineering, Balasore. We did it, but not in such a grand way and not with a funded agency from like AICTE-ATAL. So definitely it's a feeler on our part that we are marching ahead. So for this, initially there was a proposal that once we got the NAC accreditation, then the accreditation of the department, it was our target that we must get certain funding from AICTE. And with the approach of Madam and also Arvind sir, we tried to go ahead and the proposal was set in time. So for that reason I must congratulate, thanks Smita Madam and also Arvind sir, and the cooperation of the department, particularly electrical department, the staff members, Balasore, Patron sir and other faculty members, they also helped a lot, including Madhu sir and also Jana sir. And from the computer science department, including head of the department, others, and from mechanical engineering, we got a lot of cooperations So definitely it was a group task. Initially, Madam was a little worried that whether how it will be started, and it was a very nice thing that we could arrange very excellent speakers throughout India. So it's an honor for all of us. And definitely we are very happy that all of you have come. And on the inaugural day also, the Vice Chancellor of the BTES, he came to this place, and for that reason also, Devari sir also helped us. So sir, once again I thank you for this. And particularly I must thank all the faculty members from different institutions and research organizations who were the participants for this. Their brilliant behavior and presence in all the sessions. We are delighted and we are grateful to all of you. So definitely it's a very great for the institution. We got a lot of support from the management, Purna sir, and also Anup. So definitely I also extend my thanks to all those. And the different sessions I also attended few hours with the speakers. That definitely the persons what they taught actually, it was really very worthy. And actually for the time being, because artificial intelligence is a topic, it is now it's the hot topic, and it will be definitely for another 15 to 20 years it will be a hot topic. So since the basic and also one teacher particularly, many of you have appreciated that research methodology. Although it came also in between this, instead of going for other technology, this also helped the researchers and those who are the young faculty members also. It will give an idea that how to start a research, how to go for a publication of the papers. So definitely at the end, this is the conclusion I will tell, it is definitely beneficial for all of us. So once again, from the core of my heart and on behalf of the institution, I once again thank you all. Jai Jagannath.
Respected Devari sir, who is the chief attraction of this valedictory sessions of AICTE sponsored FDP program, the well-wisher of this session, as well as who have not yet said no to any of our requests for any time to this session. Principal Y.K. Mohanty sir, who is behind the top to bottom all the activity of the FDP program. Auravita sir, Dr. Auravita sir, who has given the real shape to this imagination of the FDP program, who has given the real shape for imagination to the imagination of the FDP program. That's Smita madam, who thought for organizing FDP program, AICTE sponsored FDP program in this institution. Subhasis Purna sir, going from starting to from top to bottom, from all activity from top to bottom is associated with that activity. Thanks to cooperation rendered by the faculty member of all electrical and electronics department, thanks to them, despite everything, they have rendered their best of the help, and also the faculty of the members of other department who have rendered their help to organize this function. I convey my heartfelt thanks to the participant who has participated in this FDP program, ignoring the charm of the Raja celebration. I have never thought that there will be such gathering if the function FDP program is conducted during the Raja celebration. I am extremely happy that the function FDP program has been conducted by Srinix College of Engineering, and Srinix College of Engineering is one of the 5 colleges, perhaps exactly I do not know, in Odisha, who has been selected to organize this function. There are many big colleges in Odisha. This college is nowhere comparable to them. Despite that, I do not know for what reason AICTE choose this institution to organize this FDP program. Anyhow, when Smita madam and Auravita and principal meet me regarding my concept for organizing this function, I told one give my consent you organize. Though I know that the amount sanctioned by the AICTE it will never be sufficient. It will never be sufficient. I know it very well. Still I agreed because they have inspired to organize this. If I say no, then they will in future they will not be inspired to organize all these programs. But one thing I told them, try to maintain the dignity and standard of the FDP program. Try to invite the whole number of the learned persons from the various parts of the country so that the glory of this organization will be more. Here, Balasore is education hub. There are 5 number of the engineering college, though the town is very small, 5 number of engineering college, 2 to 3 number of the MBA college, and many other colleges are there. But there is no such cooperation between the colleges. If such kind of FD program is organized this year in this college, in another year in another college, it will provide the chance to all the participants, all the faculty members of the different institutions to have to gather the knowledge in it. Greatly respect to you giving this is encouragement to your demand.
Already, Dr. B. Nayak has told this type of faculty program, it is no doubt it is first time in Odisha, I think, as far I know. No doubt it is a great achievement for our institution and it has been successfully managed due to sincere effort of our principal and other members, supporting members of the institution and full support, full cooperation from our management side also. And this is also has been successfully going to be completed by the full support of the participants who has come over to attend this program. And as I know, they have already left the enjoyment of Raja Sankranti and they are attending here to this program. I hope this type of program will continue from time to time and definitely our faculty members will no doubt will gain some experience about this program. And with this hope, I going to conclude my brother with all hope that all of us will cooperate to make this type of program in future. Thank you.
Dignitaries on the dais and members of faculty of this institution and participants of this FDP and media friends. At the outset, I would like to thank to the organizing team for giving me an opportunity to stand before you again as a chief guest of this valedictory session. You know, since array of speakers have already told many things about this FDP as well as a list of participants have already given feedback, very interesting as well as useful and also need of the hour. You know, the artificial intelligence, you know the objective of artificial intelligence. The objective is very clear that the moment you learn artificial intelligence, you should keep in your mind that you are going to develop a machine that can act and think like a rational human being. So
So this is the whole objective of artificial intelligence. And you know this artificial intelligence, the topic of interest, is penetrating every sphere of our life. And we need to use the tools and techniques developed under the umbrella of artificial intelligence properly. We should not misuse. The moment we will misuse, then definitely we are going to damage our career. Since last 5 days and today, so including today 6 days, you have already got many concepts related to, in the domain of AI. So I hope these inputs can help you to advance your academic career further. And I request all of you, please use these inputs and process it very carefully, and then produce the output. Those outputs must be useful for the society. With this, I am concluding. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my great honor and privilege to deliver vote of thanks in front of you on the occasion of valedictory ceremony of this 6-day FDP program. I think a huge clap needed to all the participants who heard their patience for last 6 days. Being a teacher, is a difficult task for us. We know that after delicious lunch, there is some drowsy moment for us, but the energy from the participant shows the success of this event. I think a huge clap also needed for all the organizing team and all the participants from different college and our college, and also all the team, especially for the hospitality team and the committee who is deciding the menu to delivering the food items. At last, they provide the delicious lunch in the last festival. I think multidisciplinary research and the collaborative research is the major objective of the faculty development program. Because once we get together at a same place and we exchange our idea and we will learn something and we will discuss some problem like the different journals of the different speakers, this is a great achievement, also great learning for us to be a curious teacher and curious student in us. I express my heartfelt thanks to Principal Y.K. Mohanty sir for his constant guidance and motivational that have been instrument for successful execution of this program. And I also extend my sincere gratitude to our chief guest Professor Srinix College for his gracious presence and insightful address, for which we truly elevate today's proceedings. I also extend my sincere thanks to guest of honor Mr. Charan sir for his presence and giving enlightening moments with all the faculty members of the college. I offer my sincere gratitude to Dr. Purna Chandra Nayak sir, President BTES Group, and Mr. Nayak sir for their continuous inspiration and administrative guidance which have made such academic endeavor possible. Special thanks to Manas Ranjan Sahu sir, Tripathi sir, Kuila sir, Madam Lipika madam and Monaja madam, Alpha madam, of a lot names are there behind the success of this FDP program. At last, not the least, I congratulate Dr. Smita Porida ma'am for the success of this FDP program and Dr. Arvind Panda sir for the success of this FDP program. Because without without their effort and leadership strength, this is not be possible. At last, I will thanks to all the organizing committee for their more effort. They are giving their effort 100%, more than 100%. Leader for Anand sir, Mir sir, Mono sir, and Simancharan sir. And the FDP witnessed participation of more than 60 participants and faculty members from different regions of Odisha.
Actually, I'm very much thankful to all the staffs of the Srinix College. Also, I would like to thanks to Arvind sir and Smita ma'am who has successed this program. Actually, this is the first the AICTE training and learning academy in Balasore. That when Arvind sir told me that this is the first time in Balasore, you just register. I was really at that time I was very much happy to anyhow I have to attend this program. And continuously 6 days I have attended this. And very much I would like to thank Smita ma'am and Arvind sir. Thank you so much sir. Thank you.
Here, what I saw that even I have worked in Delhi and other places, but in spite of being a small place like Balasore, I never thought that such type of people will come who are really brilliant and who are academicians, who are working in the top companies as professionals and having a wealth of ideas. So, and another thing I had done in Fakirmon University and Sri Chandra University also some time back, our Vice Chancellor had said that we don't know how high is high, but now we came to know how high is high. I hope you can understand this.
It's an immense pleasure that I have got an opportunity to talk something in front of you. So it was a 6-day program, and within this 6-day program there are a lot of resources. That means we got a lot of resources. All the esteemed faculties, all the resource persons are very good, and they have given a lot of information to all of us. And I thought that this type of information should be implemented to the students so that the students can also gain some more knowledge regarding this activity. So perhaps this is the first time in the Eastern Band the Srinix College of Engineering has prepared this type of national program, or I may say that AICTE program, and they could bring the visit to this organization. So thanks to the organization committee that they have made such type of program. And also I can thanks to my faculty member that they have spared a valuable time to be here. And also some persons are there who may not be here. I may say that some persons who are outside this sphere, but they are hard working, help us to gain something, and also they have helped a lot. They are hard working also make this program success. So what to say? So within these 6 days, so some workshop has already been held, and also as per my knowledge concerned, the programs that which we do not know, that type of some COLA programs, I got also in fun. I got some knowledge from this COLA program. As well as we could visit the industries and get some more knowledge. So lastly, once again, I would like to thanks to the coordinator and co-coordinator as well as principal sir that to conduct such type of programs